This month, Life Insurance Strategies Group is in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, where it's a balmy 35 degrees Celsius. So I've been reading a lot lately, more and more about indexed universal life and its applications. And what I mean by that is it seems to have an application for everything. And this video isn't bashing indexed universal life at all. In fact, I believe indexed universal life, or IUL, has its place in a lot of life insurance transactions. But it's not an end-all be-all for every transaction. There's a lot of other products that are a much better fit depending on the circumstances. But I understand that many producers love selling indexed universal life because they can sell the potential upside of the product, that you can earn far better returns than other general account products like plain universal life or whole life. However, I always remind people, at the end of the day, IUL is a general account product. And as we've seen, like back with COVID, life insurance companies have a lot of levers they can pull to manipulate the returns on that product. So IUL, again, not for everybody, but what else should you be considering? You know, there is the traditional whole life product. We see for a lot of trusts, they're buying substantial policies that kind of want to have some type of certainty about the future. Maybe not a complete guarantee, but certainly a better certainty about a return than you'd have in IUL or UL or a variable product. And so whole life can provide that. Now, it can be more expensive than other general account products, but again, you get what you pay for. If you have a trust situation and you kind of want to lock things up and not have to worry too much about how the life insurance may perform, this is probably whole life. Again, I'm not saying abandon watching over your life insurance products. Always have those serviced by a professional broker. But let's go over to the other side of things. When IUL is sold, they say, hey, you could probably get maybe 11% returns or 12%, etc. And there's very little downside risk. We know that that's not completely true, but again, that's not the subject of this video. What if instead of saying, you know, there's a potential for returns in IUL, where of course the life insurance company has some levers to pull, to say, if you're a sophisticated purchaser considering variable universal life. Now remember, not every client that should be considered for variable universal life gets shown variable universal life because the broker may not have securities licenses. And we've beat on that drum quite a bit here, that it's really difficult to call yourself a life insurance broker if you cannot sell variable products, because you're not doing the clients a service. And so again, IUL may be appropriate and is appropriate for certain situations, but there are many client situations that call for other products, whether that be whole life or variable products. Now remember, at Life Insurance Strategies Group, we do not sell products, but we help our affluent individual and corporate clients make decisions involving complex life insurance matters. If we can help you, reach out to us at lifeinsurancestrategiesgroup.com.